Okay, so today we are looking at your essay question 2 from your BOP tutorial. So right now, let us look at the preamble. So we have USA, right, often cited as a country with both fiscal and balance of payment current account deficits. On the other hand, Singapore is the reverse. We have long-term fiscal and balance of payment current account surpluses. Alright, so first question, we are asked how a government's decision run a budget deficit can affect the current account balance of a country. So when we talk about your fiscal balance, we're looking at your government spending versus government revenue from your taxes, etc. So when we say that we have a deficit, this means that we are spending more than our revenue. If it's a surplus, means that our revenue is more than our spending. Alright, so when we say the government's decision to run a budget deficit, government here is in a way doing what we call a expansionary fiscal policy, because what this involves is to increase G, reduce T, alright, such that your government spending becomes more than your government revenue. Alright, and when we talk about your current account balance, a significant component of your current account is your X minus M, your net export stuff. So we want to see how the government's decision to actually undertake this expansionary fiscal policy will affect your X minus M component. But we are not going to use ADAS or your normal framework. We are asked to use circular flow of income. If you recall what circular flow of income, you have your withdrawals, you have your injection, and equilibrium withdrawals equals injection. Equilibrium income, okay? So let us do a quick question analysis. So we are asked to use circular flow concept, asked to explain how the budget deficit can affect your current account balance. So no example given, no specific example required, so you can use open context. All right, so if you recall your circular flow income, this is how it is. This side are your withdrawal, this side are your injection. So as we mentioned, your budget deficit here is like your expansionary fiscal policy. So when there's expansionary fiscal policy, what you do, you increase G. Alright, and you can see how an increase in G here will invite your firms to produce more. And when your firms produce more, they hire more factors of production, pay out higher factor income. So this means that the withdrawal side, okay, there's more going into your saving, your taxes, and your imports. Alright, so we want to know how this increase in G, how this decrease in T here will affect your X minus M component. Alright,